So we made it into Machu Picchu town, Pueblo. It's Aguascalientes after 2 days and 5 hours and around 80 kilometers. My body is dead, I cannot walk, my knees are really dead, and yeah, everything is pretty dead. But it was beautiful hike, amazing hike. It was the hardest thing what I ever did, pretty much. So now just going to the one center to get the ticket for probably tomorrow morning, or we hope. And then yeah, let's see. So good morning. No, just going to the bus and then driving up to Machu Picchu. But it's heavy raining, it's so bad. But yeah, it's 5 AM in the morning, really early. And yeah, let's go.
Videos, everything. First time here?
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Machu Picchu, the last city of the Incas.
So we had a first amazing tour. It was really cool. Now we're going the Machu Picchu mountain up to have hopefully a nice view to Machu Picchu, but now it's completely cloudy. There's Machu Picchu! There's Aguascalientes, our home for 2 nights. Yeah, I did it! I'm here! That's it. My dream is over. After, I don't know, 15 years or something like that. Planning the whole life, or put the whole life, everything, just for this moment to stand up there and see the view on this mountain with no clouds. Just unbelievable. It's just amazing. Yeah. I did everything. I started working earlier to save money. I went to the US to get experience and to learn English better, and then worked again pretty much and saved a lot and all this stuff, and just for this dream. And now Now I'm here. I still cannot believe it. Probably I need until I'm home. Maybe I can see it. Oh, I can imagine. So yeah, it's wonderful day. Wonderful day. It's amazing. But the most important things are here. They are not on the camera. They are here. That's the most important thing. And it is. So now I can go home safe. No worries. I don't care. I saw pretty much this. But I will see some nice stuff in the next 2 weeks too. But now I saw the most important thing, and now I can go home completely good, with a good feeling, happy. I'm super happy now. Maybe I cannot show it on the camera, but it was really emotional. Especially on the moment before, right before 20 minutes ago, when the cloud was away and I saw this picture what normally is on the postcards and all this stuff. It was really emotional for me. It was most emotional thing in my life probably. It was really close to crying. Yeah. So guys, this was it with the vlog about Machu Picchu. It was amazing. My biggest dream since I'm a little boy, and finally I can see it. It was amazing. So yeah, it's one of my last vlogs on this 10-month trip. My trip goes to an end. So just leave me some comments and let me know in the comments if you like these videos, if I should continue, and if I should make some videos about American football in Austria. So it's probably pretty interesting because it's getting every time bigger and bigger. And yeah, so I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, on my travel Instagram. I will post there really often, and even I'm already back home. So I put the link below this video. And yeah, so let's see.